Hi everybody, this is Crystal. So today I'm going to do a review on this yarn that I just found at my local Walmart a few days ago. It was just sitting on the shelf. They had just got it in and I had never seen it, never heard of it. Thought I'd just show you guys in case it's something that, I don't know, maybe Walmart's going to start carrying, but I just thought I'd go over a little bit. So it says it's made by the Easy Knit Tricot Facile company. And it's their Overjoyed yarn. Now, I didn't know anything about this company, so I looked it up on the internet, and it says that it's from Canada. It's a company in Canada called Marotex, located in Quebec, and they've been in business since 1988. It says on the internet, now on their website you cannot buy their yarn. I don't see anywhere that you can buy it, and they have just a few different brands of it. This is one of their brands, Overjoyed yarn. It doesn't show anywhere where you can buy it, but on their website it does say that it's manufactured in Canada, but actually on here it says that it's made in China. So I don't know if maybe their website's not updated, or maybe only some of their yarns manufactured in Canada. But anyways, this company is from Canada, and they've been in business since 1988. So I've never heard of them. It's kind of interesting. So we'll go ahead and look over it here. It's 4.23 ounces, 120 grams, 157 yards, and it's 100% acrylic. They do have a few patterns on their website. Seems most are for knitting. I saw just a couple for crochet. And like I said, it's made in China, and it looks like you can machine wash, and it says it says here that machine wash and warm, gentle, but for best results, hand wash and lay flat to dry. So I don't know. It says it's a bulky 6. It does not have a recommended crochet hook size, only a knitting needle size, which is 6 millimeters. Okay, so I saw it at Walmart, and I thought, well, that's kind of cool. It's a company I've never heard of, and I was kind of, when I looked them up, it's kind of neat that they've been in business since 1988, and I've never seen their yarns. I don't even see any place that you can buy them. I don't know where they sell where they sell them at, but I don't know if Walmart's going to start selling them. But when you first feel it, it's super soft. It's real soft. Now it's classified as a super bulky 6. It's definitely not a super bulky 6 yarn. I think it is a bulky 5 weight. You can probably tell by looking in my hand that that's a bulky 5. But it's got a really nice shiny sheen on it. And I don't know, here's some other colors. This is Walmart. My Walmart had a few colors. They had these 4 colors, and then they had white and black also, but I didn't get those. But if you can tell by looking at it, it's really shiny. This reminds me, when I feel it and when I look at it, of a bulky 5 Caron Simply Soft. That's what it reminds me of. Right off. That's what I thought of when I looked at it. Caron Simply Soft, only thicker, because that's what it looks like, shiny just like that, and that's what it feels like. It actually feels really nice. Bulky 5's my favorite. Now at Walmart, this was $2.49 for 157 yards. I really don't think that's a bad price, really. I think that's pretty good. But like I said, it's not a 6, it's like a 5. So I did crochet a little bit with it. Their color names are pretty basic: orange, red, blue, navy, and then they have black and white. On their website they did show a few more colors, but I crocheted a bit with it here, and I did a few different stitches to see if you could see the definition in them. You definitely can. You see the bobbles there in the puffs. So when I first looked at it, I'm like, man, that is going to split. It did remind me a lot of Carry-On Simply Soft. You know, Carry-On Simply Soft, if you've used it, it can split on you. I mean, it can do that. I thought that is gonna split, but actually I didn't have any problem with it splitting. I didn't, not me specifically. That doesn't mean that someone else won't, but because everybody crochets different. But I actually crocheted just fine. It really does remind me of just a bulky 5-weight Carry-On Simply Soft. If I had to compare it to any yarn, that's what I'd say it was. And I really didn't know if I was gonna like it when I bought it, because I don't know. I just wasn't sure, you know. I just wanted to do a little test on it. And, well, for one, I thought it was going to be splitty and maybe cheaply made and stuff, but it's actually not bad at all. See, it's not splitting on me at all. Crochet is fine. Look at that. It's different than what I thought it was going to be. It's nothing wrong with it. I'm actually quite surprised. It's yeah. It's really just like a bulky. If you like Carry-On Simply Soft, this is just like a bulky version of it. In my opinion, that's what I say that it is. Just a bulky version of Carry-On Simply Soft. There's nothing wrong with it. Really. I couldn't find anything wrong with it. Other than it's like a mystery to me. I mean, I didn't know anything about it. There's really not a lot about it. I mean, they have a website, but you can't buy their yarn on their website. I don't know why on their website, though, that it says it's manufactured in Canada, but on here it says made in China. Unless that's website's not updated or something. I have no idea. But, or like I said, maybe they have, it looks like they have like 15 or 18 varieties of yarn. Maybe some of them are manufactured in Canada. I don't know, but this is the only one that Walmart had. So I just wanted to do this review. I don't know, maybe if this is a brand that Walmart might start carrying, because this is all they had of it, like I said, and it was brand new. And I don't know where else to get it. It's a mystery to me. If you guys know anything about this brand, let me know in the comments. And let me know if you've seen it at your local Walmart and if you've tried it. I'm interested, but I don't have a problem with it at all. I think $2.49 is a pretty fair price. I mean, I think it's a relatively inexpensive yarn, really, for, you know, and it feels really soft, and it's a little fuzzy there. You know, Lion Brand Hometown USA, how it's a true bulk, it's a true bulky 6 and it's shiny. This is kind of like that too. So it's like an in-between of Carry-On Simply Soft and Lion Brand Hometown USA. I like the thickness of it. It's just like both of them, the way they're shiny and soft, but the thickness is like a bulky 5, not a 6. So yeah, it's a quick review because it's really kind of a mystery, and I just kind of wanted to show you that Walmart had it, and I thought, man, I don't know if I'm going to like this, but actually it's not bad. I don't know if I'll ever buy it again. Since it's like, I can't really find it anywhere on the internet and to buy it, and it seems like maybe it's only available at Walmart. And for tutorial purposes, I like to buy things that use things that are available, I don't know, that's real commonly available, you know what I mean? Like if this is just only at just a few Walmarts, there's no one will be able to get it. I don't know if it's going to be in every Walmart or not, but until I know that, I probably won't use it for tutorials. But, you know, I would use it for something that I don't do a tutorial on. Sure, I think it would make a very nice hat, scarf, baby, you know, toddler sweater. It's super soft. Yeah, so I was pleasantly surprised with this yarn. I like it. Don't know nothing about it, but I think it's cool that, you know, maybe Walmart will start carrying the whole line of them and get it out there more for them. It's pretty interesting. Okay, like I said in the comments, let me know if you know anything about this company and any of their other yarns, or if you've seen this at your local Walmart and you've tried it, and let me know what you think about it. So this is a quick review because I just wanted to show you guys this, and because I showed it on Facebook and so people were interested. So just talking about it. Yeah, I like it. I don't have a problem with it. I think it's a inexpensive you know, for the quality. It's got an inexpensive price tag. So yeah, that's it. Thanks everybody for watching. Bye bye.